Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Nicole. Hi, welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is going to be a Shein haul. I haven't done one of these on my channel, I don't think. I have ordered from them before, but I haven't filmed what I got. So I got a ton of stuff this time and I wanted to show you, and I'm going to try everything on for you so you'll see me try them on, and I've already tried them on so you'll know my actual thoughts and how they fit and everything like that. So this order was basically just me ordering super large tees, like oversized tees, because I like the whole biker short and long tee, or like jean shorts and long tee. Like I like oversized tees basically. So I ordered a bunch of them and a bunch of other miscellaneous things, so I thought I'd show you. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. I'm super excited about it, so let's get into it. Okay, so I got a ton of stuff. Let me show you. Full of stuff, and I'm gonna show you everything. Hopefully this video won't be too long, but yeah, the box is filled with tons of fun goodies. So okay, quick side note, this is me like from the future. I've already filmed the video, but I forgot to mention that I will put the prices for everything that I got on the screen as I show them. Each individual piece doesn't have like a price tag or anything like that, so I will have to look it up and then I will put it on the screen for you. I will also try and link the exact items that I got. That should be fairly easy, if they're still available. You can only do that if they're still available, so I will try my best. But yeah, back to the video. First things first, I went on a bit of a bucket hat like craze. Okay, so I've recently, very recently, like 2-3 weeks ago, started to like really like bucket hats. Before that I thought they were not for me. They were not for me, and so I didn't really, you know, I didn't do anything. I didn't buy any, I didn't entertain them. I did get one for my birthday like 4 years ago, and I didn't wear it, and I gave it to someone who would wear it because I didn't like them. So recently I started watching K-pop and K-dramas. My sister got me into them, and I see them wearing bucket hats quite often. And before then I didn't like them. I didn't like how they sit, but I am starting to see how they can be useful, because the sun, I don't like the sun. I'm just kidding, I love the sun. Okay, sorry, stay. So I just think they're practical. I think they make sense if you're walking out and about, to have like 360 protection from the sun. I think it's great. So I got a bucket hat. I got one of plenty of bucket hats. I got a ton of them. So this is the first one. This is just a plain one, and you will see some that are very, very similar, and they might even look the same, but I ordered them, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, next I got a couple of phone cases. I don't know if this is all of them, I don't think so. So I got this pink one. I currently have this one. On my phone. It's like a hot pink. It's also from Shein. I love these silicone cases. They're really like on there. They're on there. They protect your phone. They come up at the top, and then I just have a little protector for my camera. But I got this color, same exact case, just a different color. So I got this baby pink. I got this pretty blue. How beautiful is that? And then I got a purple because I love purple. Purple's probably my favorite color. It used to be blue. I think they're like even now, but I really like this. So they're all the same. They're just in different colors. Next thing that I got is this Apple Watch stand, like for the charger. I got a couple off of Takealot, but none of them are doing what I need them to do. So I decided to pick one up from Shein. This one I've seen from other people, like in America. It's just a silicone little stand thing, and you pop your charger right in here, and then your watch stands around. I'm pretty sure you've seen this, but it's nice and black. Yeah, so I thought I'd pick this one up. Hopefully this is the last. I've got 3 of them now, and 2 of them, one of them is like for traveling. The other one was a stand that I was really hoping could do the same thing as this, but it doesn't really, so that was pointless. I also got some more phone cases. So I got another hot pink one, but this is for my smaller phone. My smaller phone has a little space case. I love space, just fun fact if you didn't know. So I picked up a hot pink one just to match the bigger one. And then I picked up this one. You can't really see, it's a clear case. Let's open it. So it's just a clear phone case with like a print on there. It's got the moon and a couple of clouds and some stars. It's very like flexible, soft. It does have the protection for your camera though, so that's fun. I got one of those. I got this pack of powder puffs, that's what they're called. Yes, so there's 12 in here and they're triangle shaped powder puffs. I do have one from Essence, but it's like super big, and so I wanted a tiny one that can really fit underneath my eyes. So I got like a 12 pack of black ones. Yeah, I also got a couple of caps in here, and yes, I have two that are exactly the same, but this one I bought before this package arrived, and then the package arrived the same day, so I didn't know I was gonna get the package that soon. But it's just a black cap, you guys. Can you have enough black caps? Probably, but yeah, I decided to pick one up. This is one of 2 black caps, okay? I'm telling you in advance so you're not judging me by the time I show you the second one. Next thing that I got is this AirPod cleaner. It's just a little, it's called a multifunctional cleaning pen, and you can use it to clean your AirPods. I saw it online actually, and so I picked it up when I ordered from Shein. I just want to clean my AirPods naturally. Then I got this 2-pack of Apple Watch straps. It's a black and white one, and these are like silky scrunchy type straps. I might just put one of these on because my actual strap right now looks horrendous. It's like stained. I stained it. I don't even remember how, but I was devastated when I did. So I picked up these 2 scrunchy type ones. I'm gonna put the black one on. The thing about these though is that once it's dirty, you know, so I need to get more silicone ones. Okay, the next bucket hat. Okay, so this bucket hat is very much bigger than the one that I just showed you. This one is a little, it's shorter and it's a little more structured, whereas this one is kind of like bellowy. So yeah, this one is bigger. It covers more of your face, but it also protects you from the sun a little bit more. So I picked that one up. Another bucket hat. Yes, they're all black. I have one that's not black, so don't judge me, okay? This one feels really nice. So it's similar to the first one. Yeah, it's really similar to this first one. It looks slightly bigger though, so I don't know. But I got another black bucket hat, and then the last bucket hat, is it? No, it's not. It's not. The next bucket hat that I got is this white one. So it's like a silky white material, and it's got like this black kind of graffiti writing, and it's got like pops of color. I thought this one was cool, kind of abstract. So I figured it would go, if I didn't want to wear a black one, I could just pop this white one on, and because of the colors I can also like incorporate that into the outfit. But it is black underneath, and it looks like you can reverse it if you so desire. But yeah, I have enough black ones that I do not desire to wear it in reverse, so I will be wearing it like this, but I thought it was cute. The last bucket hat, yes, it's black, okay? Okay, this is the last one. I've seen this one quite a number of times actually. It's just got the like big safety pin, I think that's what it's called. Or the smaller ones are called safety pins, I forgot what this one's called. And then it's got like little hardware in the front here. I will try it on for you obviously and like pop in like something on the side, but I thought it was cute. It's kind of like, you know, It's edgy type. I've seen it a lot in the K-pop stuff that I watch in K-dramas, so I picked one up. The next thing that I have is the caps. So I got three, like a pack of three. It's got this tan colored cap over here, and then it's got a white one, and then obviously a black one. It was a 3-pack, so I'm excited that I have all three of these colors. I love caps. I've been wearing caps long before I started wearing bucket hats, so I'm very excited to have more caps. Now we're getting into the clothes. I think we're getting into the clothes. Okay, let me show you. I got some serious gems with this. So this first top that I ordered, I got in a 4XL. I think everything that I got in here is in a 4XL. And this is one of those oversized tees. This one is a button up, which is the I only have 2 button up type oversized tees in this haul. So this first one is from the Curve. So everything that I got is from Shein Curve, and it's this black and white kind of like a baseball tee. It says competition on it, and it's a button down, so it has no stretch, but it's so big and oversized, and I just love the color blocking thing going on. Just love the two like contrasting colors on one shirt. I really enjoy that, so I picked one of these up. I think it's cute with biker shorts. I think it's cute with just plain jean shorts. I like the look of like just wearing a long tee, and so I picked up a ton, way too many actually, shirts that give off that look because I prefer it, and we shop for our preferences over here. Okay, this one is on the snug side, so I have 2 of this shirts, the exact same shirts, but the material for this one is non-stretchy, and the material for the other one that I have, which is a different color, is a stretchy material. So they're different materials, so they fit really differently, but I think you'll be able to tell in the try on section. This one is a little bit more like slim fit. The next thing I got is another shirt. This is also in a 4XL. Like I said, everything is in a 4XL, and this is a plain black tee. I like the material of this tee though. It feels like almost like gym wear. It feels very cool, very cooling. This is what this one looks like. It's literally just a plain black tee. There's nothing on it. There's absolutely nothing on the shirt, but it's a very breathable material, very stretchy, and yeah, I think this is gonna be amazing. I do need more biker shorts now that I have so many shirts, but I figured we would take it one step at a time, you know, one problem at a time. Next thing I got is another shirt. Yes, you guessed it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a very monotonous haul. But yeah, this is another black tee. This is also that breathable material. This one feels a lot more like cotton though compared to this one, but it's another very big, very oversized black tee, also in a 4X like I said, but this one says self-love club on the back. I can't see it, but everyone else who will be looking at me will see it, which I don't mind. So it's just a black tee. Then I got another oversized tee. This one is pink though. This one says happiness on it, and it's giving very much Nirvana vibes for me. H&M recently had a hoodie, like a Nirvana hoodie, that was this color, and it had the Nirvana logo. But yeah, this is the tee. Just says happiness. It's really nice. This one fits not as long as the other two that I just showed you. Did I show you two? Yeah, it's not as long. This one fits like a regular tee. Like I could maybe wear it with jeans. I could definitely wear it with jeans. I would just have to like, you know, finesse it to look not so big. But yeah, this one's also in a 4XL. This one is just on the shorter side, and I'm pretty sure it's a little slimmer fitting than the other two that I showed you. Okay, we're approaching the end of the haul here. This is the second to last shirt. This is the one shirt in the entire pile that I thought it was gonna be a different color. When I ordered it, I thought it was gonna be like a peachy, orangey type color, but it's actually this camel tan nude color. It matches the hat that I showed you earlier. It's like a beigey color basically, and this one has writing on the back as well. It says it's a good day to have a good day, basically. But the front is completely plain, and so I could totally just dress it up. Dress it up is relative, so this gives me a blank canvas to kind of put the outfit together however I want, basically. So I'm excited about that. This one is big. It's on the longer side, I believe. I can't remember, I tried them on so long ago. Just the plain tan colored tee here. And then the last shirt that I'm going to show you is the entire reason why we placed this order in the first place. I really wanted this shirt, and I was going to place this order to get this shirt. I just added everything else when I knew that I had to have this shirt. So let me show you. I'm so excited. This is the shirt. I love this color. This was my favorite blue color before I started liking purple so much. This was the blue. It's kind of like a turquoise blue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is the exact same shirt as that first one that I showed you. It's also in a 4XL, and it also says competition, but it's this beautiful blue. Are you kidding me? The blue that you're seeing on camera now is the exact same blue that the shirt is. That it's giving Zanzibar oceans, because this is the blue of the water. But yeah, it's this huge oversized long kind of baseball tee. The material is stretchy, and it's a button down. I've obviously tried this on because the buttons are not done up all the way, but the buttons are this beautiful blue color as well, and they give you an extra button just in case you lose one. They're a beautiful matte, so pretty. I love this color, you guys. I love this color. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the reason for the entire order. I just had to have the shirt. I just love the shirt so much, so I've got so many ideas for it. Like I said, the long shirt with your shorts with a crop top underneath, maybe all the way unbuttoned with a crop top and the jeans. I like that look. Maybe over a swimsuit, like just after you've gone swimming, you throw it on to walk around, or when you're done at the beach, you just want to throw this on. So yeah, I have a ton of ideas for all of the stuff that I got. I'm very excited about the bucket hats though, because it came out of nowhere and I went overboard. I understand, but I'm not mad about it. I have options and I like options. So yeah, I'm excited about this haul. I'm excited about the things that are coming. But yeah, this is everything that I wanted really. So I got these when I got the other stuff. I already filmed that other haul. It should be up way before this one. So yeah, I got this stuff around the same time that I got those things. So like long leggings with some of these shirts would be fine as well. But that's the whole reason for the order. I just wanted oversized tees, and that's exactly what I got. I didn't get anything else in terms of clothing. So yeah, that's everything that I have for you for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook if you're on Facebook a lot. Every time I post a new video on my YouTube, it gets posted onto that Facebook page. It's just called Nicole Khumalo YouTube. And yeah, you'll never miss a video if you like that page. I also have a TikTok page that I post like hauls and like get ready with me's on. I post rarely, but it's there if you want to check it out. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!